Today, we're diving into Spike, the AI-powered email platform that's completely reimagining the way we communicate. Instead of dealing with traditional, cluttered email threads that are often difficult to follow and time-consuming to manage, Spike transforms your inbox into a clean, chat-like experience. This approach makes conversations feel more natural, faster, and far easier to keep track of. Rather than scrolling through long chains of replies, everything flows like a conversation you'd see in a messaging app. Along with this conversational layout, Spike also combines smart productivity tools and real-time collaboration features, all within a single platform, helping you stay focused and efficient throughout your day. Whether you're a busy professional handling dozens of emails daily, a freelancer juggling multiple clients and projects, or simply someone who's tired of long and confusing email chains, Spike is designed to make your life easier. So, if you're curious about how Spike can turn your everyday emailing into a smarter, faster, and more organized experience, stay tuned because we're going to break everything down step by step in this video. The first thing you need to do is visit the official Spike website. Once you're there, you'll notice an option in the top corner to log in if you already have an account. However, if you're new to Spike, the better option is to click on Get Started. As soon as you click on that button, you'll be redirected to a new page where Spike will ask you to provide some basic information to set up your account. The sign-up process is smooth and user-friendly, making it easy even for first-time users. At this stage, Spike gives you two main options. You can either add your personal email account, or you can choose to work with your team. If you're an individual user, connecting your personal email is quick and straightforward. Spike supports popular email providers, so the setup usually takes just a few moments. On the other hand, if you select the team option, Spike will ask you to enter a few additional details related to your workspace, such as your team name, organization information, or the number of people you plan to collaborate with. From here, you simply need to follow the on-screen instructions, and the process remains very simple and easy to understand. Once you make your selection, Spike will take you to the next page. Here, you can choose the name that will appear on Spike's homepage. This is essentially how your profile will be displayed inside the app, both to yourself and to others if you're working with a team. You can also customize your profile further by adjusting preferences or adding details if you want. For now, I'll just click on the check button and move forward. You can always come back later to update or edit these settings. If you don't want to invite team members right away, you can skip that step and handle it later. Once everything is completed, you'll be redirected to the main Spike homepage. As soon as you land on the dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and intuitive the interface looks. Everything is neatly organized, and the layout feels modern and minimal. Even if you're using Spike for the first time, it's easy to understand where everything is. At this point, Spike may ask for permission to enable desktop notifications. You can allow this if you want to receive real-time alerts whenever you get a new message. However, for now, I recommend clicking the Close button so we can focus on exploring the inbox without any interruptions. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Home option. Clicking on Home takes you to your main overview page. This page acts like a central hub that brings together all of Spike's features in one place. Here you'll see your most recent conversations, along with any notes, tasks, and email correspondence, all displayed in a unified feed. This design helps you stay organized and reduces the need to constantly switch between multiple apps, which is one of Spike's biggest advantages over traditional email clients. Next, we have the Timeline section. This is where Spike truly stands out from conventional email platforms. Instead of showing emails as long, nested threads, the timeline displays conversations in chronological order, similar to how messages appear in chat applications. This makes it much easier to follow conversations without scrolling endlessly or trying to figure out who replied to what. Since this is a newly created account, there isn't much activity yet. However, once you start using Spike regularly, your emails and replies will appear as real-time message bubbles, making communication feel faster, clearer, and more engaging. After that, we have the Groups section. This is where you can create shared spaces for collaboration. Groups are ideal for teams, ongoing projects, or even regular discussions with clients. You can create a new group by adding a name and description, then inviting people to join. You also have the option to upload a group photo using your camera, browsing your device, or selecting an image from the web. Once everything is set up, your group is ready to use. This makes collaboration seamless, allowing everyone to communicate, share updates, and stay aligned without switching tools. Next is the People, also known as the Contacts section. This is where you can manage all your contacts in one place. You can add new people, organize existing contacts, and quickly start conversations whenever needed. This section is especially useful if you're working with multiple clients, colleagues, or team members and want everything neatly organized and easy to access at any time. Now let's go back to the messaging section. If you click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner, you'll see several additional options. One of the first options here is the starred section. This works like a priority inbox. You can star important conversations so they remain easily accessible at all times. This is similar to bookmarking or flagging emails, ensuring that critical messages don't get buried under less important ones. Then we have the notes section. Spike allows you to create, edit, and share notes directly within the platform. These notes can be personal or collaborative, which makes them ideal for brainstorming ideas, planning projects, creating meeting agendas, or saving important information. The advantage here is that you don't need a separate notes app. Everything stays within Spike and remains connected to your conversations. Next up is the tasks section. This feature helps you manage your to-do lists efficiently. You can create tasks, assign them to yourself or other team members, set deadlines, and track progress. Tasks can also be linked to specific emails or notes, which keeps everything in context. This is especially useful for teams as it improves accountability, organization, and overall productivity. The archive section stores messages that you don't need in your main inbox but still want to keep for future reference. Archiving helps keep your inbox clean and clutter-free without permanently deleting anything. There's also a section for muted or ignored conversations, which is helpful when you want to reduce distractions from less important messages. The scheduled section is where emails that are set to be sent later are stored. If you schedule a message for future delivery, it will appear here until it's sent. Right next to that is the draft section, which contains emails or notes you've started but haven't finished yet. This allows you to pause your work and return to it whenever you're ready. Depending on your usage, you may also see a few additional options here that further help with organization. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a pencil icon. This is where you can compose a new message, create a task, or add a note. When composing a new message, the first step is to select your recipient. After that, you can add a subject and start writing your message. You can format the text, adjust colors according to your preference, and structure your message however you like. You can also attach files, making it easy to share documents, images, or other resources. One of the most powerful features here is Spike's built-in AI writing assistant. When you click on the AI option, you'll see that AI writing is available with a premium subscription. Once enabled, this feature allows you to generate emails, messages, or even longer content like blog-style text. You can choose the tone, professional, casual, friendly, firm, and adjust the length from short to long. After setting your preferences, simply click on Generate and the AI will begin creating content for you. Once the content is generated, you can instantly insert it into your message. This is a major time saver, especially when dealing with writer's block or repetitive emails, making communication faster and more efficient. So, overall, Spike is an AI-powered email platform designed to simplify communication and significantly boost productivity. If you're looking for a clean, modern email client that helps you stay focused, organized, and efficient, Spike is definitely worth trying out. It's like having an intelligent email assistant built right into your inbox. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.